United Nations Secretary-General António Guterres has warned the United States that its bombing of Iranian nuclear facilities marks a perilous turn in West Asia, risking a broader war and further destabilizing an already fragile region. Addressing an emergency session of the UN Security Council on Sunday, Guterres said,
"We face a stark choice. One path leads to wider war, deeper human suffering, and serious damage to the international order. The other leads to de-escalation, diplomacy, and dialogue. We know which path is right, and I urge this Council and all Member States to act with reason, restraint, and urgency. We cannot and must not give up on peace." Thank you.